Pre-apprenticeships place students with companies where they learn technical and job readiness skills, giving them industry knowledge for their future education or job. They also open doors, especially for students with diverse learning needs, by connecting what they learn in the classroom to meaningful real-world experience.
It gave me the hands-on environment, of course. I don't have to just sit there at a desk and look at a paper. They explain it to you. They even teach you like stuff in the code book that you can like use in future preference and probably like jobs and stuff.
For students like this one, that first opportunity to work in the community is a major milestone.
Before this experience, I've always sought higher purpose, like I was saying earlier, but this definitely prepared me to get in front of, higher up people, business people in the business world. It definitely showed me like if you showed up like not on time, you didn't have your boots, he would send you home to go grab it.
From communication to time management, the lessons extend far beyond the classroom. Why implement a pre-apprenticeship program?
These are 18-year-old young men and women who have a lifelong career ahead of them based strictly on their attendance to the pre-apprenticeship. So I'm very proud to say that what you learn in the pre-apprenticeship are the things that employers want.
Pre-apprenticeships provide students with diverse learning needs, the skills and confidence to imagine a future for themselves.
Yeah, I know how to install a circuit now, because I wanted to do real estate, so if I ever need to like fix anything wrong with electricity, I can go do it. Just go ask Dave and he would tell me what's wrong with it, but he had a thing where he wouldn't like explain everything wrong with it. He would tell me something and then I would finish it and I'd go back, and it was like it was nice like the way he taught though, because then it was like focus on what your objective is now and then focus on everything later, so you're actually like being very comprehensive of what's going on.
With guidance, diverse learners begin to see their own potential.
I'm not like as anxious. I'm doing what I want to do. I don't have to sit there and look at a paper and overstimulate my brain.
That confidence builds over time, and it starts with someone believing they can.
So for the student who struggles academically, the pre-apprenticeship is, at least in my conception, is something where you build small skills until you get to the more complex. And those small little milestones and those little markers along the path help you build up that confidence. Hey, I did this one simple thing. Let me add something to it.
That sense of value matters, because when these students feel like they belong, they show up with purpose.
I never really thought of myself of being in a trade. So like say if my plans don't go as planned, I have a plan B. I can go to electrician school and find a new thing.
That's the power of work-based learning. It creates ownership, responsibility, and pride.
Pre-apprenticeship gives you the opportunity to taste something, get a little taste of it and say, yeah, this is a recipe I want to continue creating for myself. Or, hey, I kind of don't like the taste of that asparagus in this dish, so maybe I want to try something else. And that's the beauty of the pre-apprenticeship. It doesn't bind you to anything, but it certainly lets you know that it gives you that really good idea that, yeah, I want to do this, or maybe I'll go another way.
And in that exploration, students not only learn skills for their future career, they discover what they enjoy, what they're good at, and what their future could hold.
They actually did prepare me for getting in front of employers and stuff, because we had those people that came in on resumes. So now my resume looks very tough, I'm not gonna lie. And they just taught you all around how to be responsible in front of employers and higher up people. Shake the hands, have good manners, all that.
For diverse learners, these opportunities lead to new paths they might not have thought possible. With the right supports, diverse learners don't just succeed, they shine. For more information on pre-apprenticeships, scan the QR code.